Skyline 2871 Romeo, runway 17, clear for takeoff.
17 clear to take off, 2871 Romeo.
Skyline 2871 Romeo, contact Potomac departure, good day.
Make a right turn out of contact departure, thanks. Good afternoon, Potomac departure, November 2871 Romeo, just off Leesburg, climbing 1000 for 3000.
2871 Romeo, Potomac, IAT.
IAT, 2871 Romeo.
950 Juliet, clear direct IDOR, contact departure 13385.
IDOR 33, just 15, good day, Falcon 5, Sir Juliet.
2871 Romeo, radar contact over Leesburg, maintain 3000.
It is 3000, 2871 Romeo.
At 1601, clear direct Lulu. At 1601, climb maintain 10,000, contact departure 11867, good day. 71 Romeo, turn left heading 290.
Correct, it's a left heading 290.
71 Romeo, correct, 290 on that.
Tillman, Sierra 773 Alpha Bravo, signing to 3,300 for 3,000.
Clear 773 Alpha Bravo, welcome, about 4 miles from Cactus, Cactus 3000, cleared RNAV, runway 17 approach. 71 Romeo, clear direct Linden, climb maintain 4,000.
Direct Linden, 4,000, 287 Romeo.
United 1318, climb maintain 10,000, contact departure 11867.
November 2871 Romeo, climb maintain 5,000.
5,000, 2871 Romeo.
And Scott 5, take contact departure 1895, 11895, see you later. November 2871 Romeo, contact Potomac approach 12045, 2045, let them know you're stopping at 5,000.
12045, 2871 Romeo. Potomac approach November 2871 Romeo, climbing 4,500 for 5,000.
2871 Romeo, Potomac approach with all altimeter 2997, multiple aircraft will be passing right to left at 6,000 feet.
2997.
Tango, I was going to make sure I had the correct one, but I am showing Romeo, thank you. 2871 Romeo, climb and maintain 8,000.
8,000, 2871 Romeo.
Number 2, take a Victor. I know you're quite a bit of ways away, but when you're ready, advise for your approach request to Leesburg. Advise when you have landing and what?
Approach 2871 Romeo.
2871 Romeo, go ahead.
We have Bridgewater weather. We request the RNAV 15 approach.
Okay, number 71 Romeo, you have to make your request with the center, that airspace will be all theirs.
Roger, 287 Romeo. Potomac approach 287 Romeo, request the level at 6,000.
71 Romeo, approved as requested, maintain 6.
6,000, 287 Romeo.
2 Tango Victor, turn left heading 350. 525 uniform Potomac approach, expect runway 19er center.
That's perfect, we'll plan 19 center, 525 uniform.
Number 2871 Romeo, I'm going to have you make your request with the center. The center is going to be able to turn you in that area. Contact Washington Center 133.2.
133.2, good day, 287 Romeo. Good afternoon, Washington Center, November 2871 Romeo, level at 6,000.
November 2871 Romeo, Washington Center, Blu-ray, altimeter 2993.
2993, 287 Romeo. We have our destination weather and request the RNAV 15 approach. And also, if possible, we request a direct to property Papa Oscar Bravo Delta Echo.
It's Papa Oscar Bravo Delta Echo, is that correct?
Affirmative, that's the initial approach point.
Alright, stand by for that. So give me a minute or two, and I have to coordinate some things, and I'll get back to you. Number 2871 Romeo, that is approved as requested, Poppy and then Bridgewater.
Direct to Poppy, thank you. 287 Romeo.
And number 2871 Romeo, confirm it's the RNAV GPS runway 15. That's the approach you're looking for?
Affirmative, RNAV 15 approach.
Washington Center, citation 741 Mach 333, descending 280.
Denver 4945 Washington Center, time to flight level 210, now 21. There's a small area of the more heavy and extreme precipitation, 12 o'clock, about 20 miles. If you need to pick your way through that stuff, you can deviate as you need and direct Roanoke when able and advise. Roger. And then one more thing for you, also November 787 Mike Kilo, reset the transponder, squawk 0545. And November 2871 Romeo, advise when you have current weather for Bridgewater and the NOTAM. I understand your approach request is the RNAV runway 15, but just advise when you have current weather and NOTAM.
Come back to you in a minute, 287 Romeo. 287 Romeo, we have the ADSB weather and the NOTAM. ADSB weather is about 10 minutes old.
2035, I have the 2035 automated observation if you need me to read that. But yeah, it's automated observation. Winds 150 at 10 knots. Visibility is 10, that's 10 statute miles. Got a ceiling scattered at 2,100, another ceiling scattered at 2,800. And another shilling scattered at 6,000. And the altimeter is 29902.
287 Romeo, roger. Thanks for help. And we request the RNAV 15 approach.
Number 287 Romeo. 2871 Romeo. Contact Potomac approach again. Potomac approach on 132.85. 3285. They will have your approach clearance.
Contact Potomac 132.85. Thanks for help. 287 Romeo. Potomac approach, November 2871 Romeo, 6,000 with you.
287 Romeo, Potomac Roger, altimeter 2995.
2995, 287 Romeo.
287 Romeo, expect possible delay vectors. I do have traffic on approach that conflicts with yours, but hopefully it alleviates approach.
287 Romeo, can you say it again? Approach 2871 Romeo. Potomac approach, radio check. Washington Center, November 2871 Romeo.
Your Washington, roger, turn right turn heading 050, vectors around weather and traffic.
Washington Center, November 2871 Romeo.
2871 Romeo, contact Summit approach 132.85.
We lost the contact with the 132.85. Do you have a different frequency?
I will call them back here in a second.
Stay with you for now.
Number 3 Whiskey Alpha, to maintain 6,500, that's as far as I can get you to the airport, 12 o'clock, 22 miles. Number 71 Romeo, are you still with me?
287 Romeo, we are with you.
Are you on a heading right now?
I'm on the heading runway 15 approach.
Alright, so number 71 Romeo, are you direct Povey right now?
I'm a director Povey, and the next is Acosta.
Number 71 Romeo, you are 2 miles from Povey, cross Povey at 6,000, cleared on runway 15 approach Bridgewater Airport.
287 Romeo, we cross Povey at 6,000. We are cleared on F15 Bridgewater approach. Thank you.
50 Delta ready to copy.
50 Delta, roger. Clear to Miami, Bravo Alpha, Mike Yankee. It'll be direct to, Miami Tango 29er, Harrisburg VOR, which is Hotel Alpha Romeo, direct. So Miami T299, direct. Bearing 3184, contact Cleveland Center 126.905. 3 Whiskey Alpha, firefighter cancellation, is squawk VFR for exchange crew, no traffic service between you and the airport. Have a good day. American 2992, contact Washington 133.65. Jet 0707, contact Washington Center 124.05. Number 5 Sierra Delta, clear to escape, direct escape, please.
Alright, direct escape, 5 Sierra Delta.
Number 5 Sierra Delta, can you accept level 190 for a little bit?
No, I don't think we can get this thing up to 190, 5 Sierra Delta.
Roger. Number 1650 Whiskey Washington, Roanoke, Leesburg, altimeter 2995, and descendant 240, number 800, Pop Echo, Washington Center, Roger, to maintain flight level 190, number 0, Pop Echo. And volunteer 3855, I think you're checking on radar contact 3 miles southwest of Leesburg Airport. Areas of moderate to extreme precipitation, 12 o'clock and 15 miles scattered for about 50 miles in diameter. Which way you want to go? You want to go due south or you want to go like due west? 3855, roger, climb and maintain flight level. And 3855, climb and maintain level 220. Indication right of course is approved. And number 71 Romeo, do you have the phone number to cancel your IFR on the ground?
Negative, I don't have the phone number.
Alright, I think it's in the chart supplement. Is it in there? Can you just look it up there? Or just say what? Just contact place, report to cancellation IFR in the air on this frequency or on the ground. Do flight service. If not, you can look in the chart supplement. I think there's a phone number in there. Change advisor frequency is approved. Appears to be 1 aircraft VFR in the pattern there at Bridgewater.
287 Romeo, we have a few more layers to go. Do you want us to switch your frequency? We're still in the cloud.
Number 71 Romeo, change to advisory frequency is approved.
Change advisory frequency approved. 287 Romeo, we'll cancel on the ground. Bridgewater traffic, 287 Romeo, AMS south, inbound for runway 15.
Scattered ceiling 8,000, broken temperature 23 Celsius, dew point 21, altimeter 2, remark, density altitude 2,400.
Point 345 Washington, climb maintain level 250.
Washington Center, November 287 Romeo, we're canceling IFR flap.
Number 287 Romeo, verify that was you canceling IFR.
Yeah, we're canceling IFR. We have the field inside.
Number 2871 Romeo, IFR cancellation is received. Squawk VFR for exchange approved.
Squawk VFR frequency change approved. Thanks for help. Bridgewater traffic, November 2871 Romeo, we are 4 miles south inbound for runway 15. Bridgewater traffic, November 2871 Romeo, Skyline with 2 miles south, 2 miles on final, runway 15 Bridgewater. Bridgewater traffic, November 2871 Romeo, on short final, runway 15 Bridgewater. Dynamic Aviation, November 2871 Romeo, we're entering your ramp and we need to park on the south ramp. Dynamic.